Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. As it's Eid special week, I'm going to teach you how to make galauti kebab, or you call it as galavati kebab, anything. If you haven't tried it, please do try it. Your friends and your family will love it. You can make this one day prior to Eid and you can just store it in the freezer and you can fry it the next day. Let's get started. I have taken 500 grams of mutton minced. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder. If you want it more spicy, you can add more chilies. 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cashew nut and fennel powder. That is, I have taken around 9 to 10 cashew nuts and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, that is the saunf, and I grinded it into a fine powder. I'm going to add this now. 1/4 cup fried onion paste. Fried onions are these. I had fried some onions and I made paste out of this. Half teaspoon allspice powder. Extract of half lemon, handful coriander leaves. I chopped it and I'm going to add this. Now I'm going to mix this nicely. Now I'm going to add one of the important ingredient, that is the salt. Salt as you require. Now I'm going to grind this to a fine paste, very fine paste. This is the fine paste. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon rose water. Now for the binding agent, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can also use 1 or 2 slices of bread and just grind it to a fine crumb. You can also use gram flour, that's the besan, or you can also use corn flour as well. Along with this, I'm going to add half teaspoon of corn flour. Let's mix this nicely. This is done now. Now let's make the kebabs. You can make according to your desired shape. Just random shapes. One thing you should keep in mind is whenever you're making any kebab, the keema which you're using, it must be very dry. It should not contain any water in it. After washing, just strain it for half an hour. Let the water come out completely. The kebabs are ready. Now let's fry them. I have kept a pan on medium-high heat. Now I'm going to add some oil. You need to shallow fry them. I added approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. The oil has heated now. Now I'm going to add my galauti. I'm going to flip them now. Fry each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Now after 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to keep it on high flame and I'm going to fry them for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are completely cooked and fried. So my galauti kebabs are done now. Now I'm going to remove them into an absorbent paper. So let's do the plating. Into the serving dish, I'm going to add the onions in the middle now. I have sliced some onions. Now I'm going to arrange my galauti kebabs right round. After arranging the galauti kebabs, I'm going to keep one toothpick like this. I have some cucumber wedges. I'm going to arrange it over here in the corner. I've taken one lemon ring and I'm going to place it over here. So my galoti kebabs are ready to be served now. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe and share, and also click the bell icon to keep yourself updated with my new recipes.